How to find notification tone settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification tone settings on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find this one, sounds and vibration, and then just scroll down again, and as you see here you will find notification tone. Click on it, and here you can select any classic ringtone you want, or you can just take it from your device. Click music on device, and here just select any music you want, and that's it. And that's how to find notification tone settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.